Hi, hello, my name is Chris. This is my English classroom. And today the topic we have a problem is about this one. Do you have a headache? We also know about it, do you have a headache? It's kind of like someone has problem or someone might have other problems like a stomach ache, the symptom, right? So we can see the, like a toothache or a runny nose or a sore throat, even though that fever and flu, right? But about this one, the problem in my classroom, in English classroom, it's kind of like, this one. We can see the red parts and the green parts, right? So the red part is, which means they just made a mistake about this one. You can see the green parts, which means it's awesome because they did understand what's wrong. They can give me some answers about this one. See? So what's wrong? What's wrong, which means someone has a symptom, right? So they can give me the answers through the icon, she has a runny nose, like the other one is she has a runny nose, she has. So, the problems in those students, they do not understand or realize, the actual reason like a do and does. We do know this is really, this is really easy, right? But especially for fifth grade, they kind of understand what they really want to do with all the sentence. But one of the students, he kind of confused when we see the, pronounce like a she or like a he, even though we use the you, so we have to do something. We have to give the students to get to know about this one. If we see the pronoun, when we see the subject, it's a you, right? So they do know they're gonna give me some, like this one. Do you, do you. Like this one we are seeing for this one. Do you have a headache? Okay, guys. I want you to, just do a little bit of interpretation about this one. Okay, just wait for me. All right. Okay, let's take a look at this one. We just ask for students to circle the you. If we see you, so we have to write down the I, right? So do you have a headache? If we can use the TPR, which means like a total physical response. When Chris is going to say you, so we have to answer the I. We can give the answers through the icons, like I have, some symptoms like this one, right? So I don't think students can understand all of those questions. So we have to make more practice, practice all the questions. When we see the he or see the she, we gotta get them, to get to know about that. The do or does, like the teachers always told me, we have to make more practice because practice makes perfect, right? Is that right? So I want to put the blank. If we see the subject is a she, so we do know we have to put down the does. Yeah, this is easy. But for the fifth grade in Taiwan, the students for fifth grade in Taiwan, it's sort of like a difficult. So they gotta make so many practices to do that. So this is, the way I like this one because they just give me the real data for this one. After we see the information. This is Kahoot. This is Kahoot for the students because they can use the Kahoot to learn better than anyone else. Oh, this is the way I really like it. I prefer to this one. This is really awesome. So So I gotta know about this one. When we see the do you or does he, so we're kind of like giving some more practice about this one. So we can see this one. What's wrong? So what's wrong, which way means ask someone else, does he or does she, or even though do you. So this is the same questions for the students. All they have to do is just give me some answers like I have or he has, even though that she has. That's really important for this one. So for students, all they have to do is mix a lot of practice. A lot of practice, we have to put a lot of, practice for that one. So this is the question we are talking about this one. This is really awesome. Okay, telling you another question for that one. Still then. Okay. Thank you so much.